Because probably after living in India, wherever you go, it feels like heaven. A lot of people are living in such conditions that wherever you send them, they'll think it's heaven. You're in the right place. If you want mukti, you may have to strive. But if you want to go to heaven, no problem. You're born in the right place, anyway you'll go to heaven. When you die, they'll print a card and say, he's reached heaven. It's printed. Have faith in the printed word. This not… I'm not just ridiculing, this has happened across the world, isn't it so?